Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security to your Cash App account. Follow these steps to enable it easily. Step 1. Open Cash App. Launch the Cash App on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Access account settings. Tap on the profile icon or the account tab located in the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Find security settings. Scroll down to locate the privacy and security section. Here, you will find options related to your account's security features. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Look for the option labeled two-factor authentication or security code. Toggle the switch to turn it on. You may be prompted to enter your phone number or email for verification. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. Before starting recovery, use the ice.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your Cash App account. Always remember to keep your contact information updated to ensure you receive authentication codes without any issues.